My name is Harshik. My project is on the topic Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of force. This means that more the momentum, the more force, and less the momentum, the less force. Now, before starting, I want you to know what is momentum. So, momentum of an object is defined as the product of its mass and velocity. In formula, we can write it as P equals m into v, where if m or v increases or decreases, the force also changes respectively. Here in this project, I am going to show that two objects having different masses but of the same size will have different momentum and will apply different forces on a particular object. I have taken an inclined plane raised to a certain height, a block of wood, a ruler for measurement, and two balls, one being a tennis ball and the second being a plastic ball which is lighter than the tennis ball. What I am going to do is that I will keep each ball one by one on this inclined plane. They will fall down and hit this block of wood, and it will be measured that which ball pushed this block to a greater distance. Here we start. I take this plastic ball and I lift up my hand. As you can see, it has covered a distance of about 5 inches. I am going to set up this arrangement again. Now I will try with the tennis ball. I keep it here. As you can see, the distance covered by this force is about 12 inches. As you observe, in both the cases, the height of the inclined plane was the same, but the force applied by the tennis ball was much greater than that of the plastic ball, as it pushed the block to a much greater distance than the plastic ball. This was because the mass of the tennis ball is greater than the mass of the plastic ball. One example of Newton's second law of motion is that, suppose if I throw a pebble to hit you, it may hurt you to a certain extent, but if I shoot a bullet, then it may kill you. How is it possible? That's because the velocity of the bullet is much greater than that of the pebble I threw on you. Thank you.